Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and trade recently traded coins or recently added coins on the Coinmarketcap. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is nothing. Let's know what the Coinmarketcap is about. So what about the Coinmarketcap? Now, the Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking websites for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is pretty simple, which is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So now that we're here, or now that we know about the Coinmarketcap, let's see how we can create an account on Coinmarketcap. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch in a browser of your choice and locate the browser or the search bar. Now, in the search bar, go ahead and type coinmarketcap.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Coinmarketcap. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner, you're going to find two icons: the login, which is to log in using an existing account, and the sign up button, which is to create an account, a new account. So once you have signed in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Coinmarketcap. So now let's hop into today's task, which is how to find and trade recently added coins on the Coinmarketcap. Okay, so from this homepage, you're going to have to head over. Just go all the way, right? Not really down, depending on the user interface of your application. So mine, I can definitely find mine here. Okay, so here you have trending. Here you have a top community article, and you have fear and greediness. You have recently added. So this is recently added. So go ahead and click on this more options from the recently added tab. So this is recently added, and now you have a list of recently added coins. All right, so new cryptocurrencies added to Coinmarketcap in the last 30 days. So these are the recently added, and more like added 12 hours ago, and all of them. So you can even find what the price as a 1 hour ago, 24 hours, and the fully diluted market cap. All right, and of course the volume, then the blockchain. Now, if you want to trade this coin, go ahead and click on the coin. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to this window where you can have an idea of what the coin is about. Now, like we said earlier, the Coinmarketcap is more like an information-based application for cryptocurrencies. Now, you don't trade real currencies in Coinmarketcap. You don't. All right. It's just for analysis. It's to help you stay abreast with what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. Okay. So if you want to trade this coin per se, you can now head over here, like to this left corner of your screen. Scroll the way down till you find this copy link. That's the contract. So you can copy the link of this contract to copy to clipboard. Now, once you do that, go ahead and open your wallet, your real wallet. It could be PancakeSwap. It could be MetaMask. You can even trade directly to MetaMask. Copy any of them. And if you want to get to when you get to the add a new coin section, all right, you can now go ahead and paste this particular contract. And once you paste it, it's going to be added to your wallet. Then once you do that, you see that you will now be able to trade this honey badger in your wallet. All right, so you can even know more about the wallet by using this market tab. Click on the market tab and you see how it's working so that you know where exactly you can buy this honey badger. Now, you can buy it on Uniswap, you can buy it on Jupiter. All right, you can buy it on this. So you see all of the information, show full width. You can see the information about this. So this is the Uniswap, and this is the price. This is the volume 24 hours ago, and the confidence is high. All right, these ones are not available, so it's just available on Uniswap. So this is actually going to help you make more informed decisions, especially where to buy the crypto from. So this is pretty much how this can be done. This is how you can find and trade recently added coins in the Coinmarketcap. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.